Well, last couple weeks has been, actually the last 3 weeks has been pretty crazy. We haven't been able to get a video out for the last couple weeks. We've done some shorts, but we were gone for a 3-week trip cross country. Lots of different cars that we saw, a lot of them that we purchased and pulled out, and some that we put deposits on and have appointments to go back in a few weeks. So a lot of that stuff will come through in the next probably 2 to 3 months. An episode each week on Friday. So hopefully if we get what we need to get done in the next couple days, we'll have an episode for next Friday. So we apologize for last Friday, this Friday, but we figured we'd kind of catch you guys up on an update on a few things that we're working on. And then also show you some of our merch and stuff that you can purchase if you're interested. Anyway, this white, well actually it was pastel blue, 70 351 4-speed. We picked this up with Richard Rollins in Kingsley, Iowa with a 68 fastback Mustang. We've been working on this for I think about a month from the time we got back, got it unloaded, and Bill started working on it, got it running and driving, new brakes. Brandon did some surgery underneath it to fix a few rust issues, nothing major. And then we had Antonio out here. He polished the whole car, so we have it wrapped in plastic right now to keep it in nice condition. And Sergio has been doing his magic on the interior. Some of the stuff he repainted it, some of the stuff he cleaned, some of the stuff he replaced, like the carpet and the headliner and things like that. We added some louvers, we added a wing. This is gonna be a nice car that somebody can really enjoy, drive. This one we've been working on for a long time, the Chevelle. This one we're gonna finish up here shortly. It's gonna go to our dealership in Texas to be sold, along with the Mach 1. Once we're finished up, we get some shakedown miles, enjoy it for a little bit, and then we'll end up, this one will actually end up at our dealership, American Steel Classics in Allen, Texas. And we just have a new location in Celeste, Texas as well. This one we picked up, if you look back a few episodes, we picked up in Colorado. It was missing a lot of stuff, so we tried to start on it, as you can see, and it's just missing so much stuff that we're gonna just gather the parts before we get back to it. Very cool car. We wanna build this to keep in our collection, but unfortunately it's just missing a lot of stuff. So anyway, and then some of these other cars you'll start seeing come out. A couple of them we're gonna sell off at our dealership to make sure we have good inventory for buyers. So we're gonna make a few sacrifices. If you're interested in any of our merch, we offer jackets, we offer hats, and we offer shirts, and some sweaters, some hoodies, things of that nature. Different colors. We try to stay with the high impact colors to represent the Mopar, 70s look. But at the end of the day, we're just out having fun, chasing cars, and then bringing some of them back to restore. Some of them we sell through our dealership, unrestored as projects for people that might be looking for a good project car. And then some we build and finish off for our collection. So it's a multitude of different things. But we just really enjoy the chase. We enjoy getting out there, meeting the people, talking to people, hearing the stories. And now with Aaron on our team, we're able to capture it and kind of share it with you guys. We're hoping to have really good videos every Friday. But if we miss one here and there, it's because we're literally out there in the field, doing the work that it takes to get something to edit. So, and we're a small team. A lot of people I think we're bigger than we are. We're a small team of enthusiasts that love cars, the culture around cars, the history around cars, and we just want to share it with you folks as well. With that said, if you can support us by buying some of our merch, helps pay the lunch bill every once in a while, and recommending us to others to check out. We're just literally trying to show you the reality of chasing these cars, finding the cars, some of the cars being resold, some of the cars being finished like this Mach 1, and some of the cars like this one being finished and staying in our collection. So we have a multitude of different aspects to what we do here at Mopars 5150. With all that said, one last thing before I go. A lot of people say, oh, that's a Ford, oh, that's a Chevy. We're not Mopar only. We're not Mopar or no car. We love them all. We think most people love them all. There are some diehards that Mopar is the only thing, and we appreciate you. We're not saying you can't just have Mopar, but for us to make a video every week, it's just almost impossible for it to be a Mopar. And so, and we love all the other, American-made muscle cars. So you're gonna see some Ford Mustangs, some Boss, 429s, some LS6 Chevelles, maybe a Tiger, different cars, because we're celebrating all of them here. We just prefer the Mopars, and our collection is mostly made up of Mopars, but we're not Mopar or no car. We love them all. So if that offends some folks out there, we apologize in advance. But for us, it's about American muscle car history and preserving them, building them, and showing them when like at McCacken in the barn find section, and showing that these cars still exist in garages and sides of of barns, inside barns, and all that kind of stuff. So our goal here is to kind of show the chase, show the cars, and then also show some glimpse into what we do with them afterwards. So anyway, I hope you keep following along, help us grow the channel. We appreciate you.